Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the distributive property of integers. In the distributive property of integers you have learned the some of the cases, that is a into b plus c, which is equals to a into b plus of a into c. So these concepts you have learned in the distributive property of integers, and also you have solved some of the examples on distributive property of integers, and also you have completed with the solving exercise number 1.2. in that two mains you have completed is first main as well as second main. In this session, in this video, you are going to solve the exercise of 1.2, that is the third main, that is solving exercise number 1.2, that is third main says, that is first question we have 2 into minus 3 plus of x is equals to 2 into minus 3 plus of 2 into 10. So see here 2 into minus 3 and next one 2 into x. This is the 2 into minus 3 and this is 2 into x. This is 2 into 10. Means we need to find the x value. We need x value. So this is the distributive property of integers. So I get x is, if you multiply 2 into x, that is 2, instead of x if you substitute 10, you will get as 2 into 10. So in this one the x is equals to the value we have, x is equals to 10 by using the distributive property of integers. Now comes to the one more question, that is x into minus of 80 plus of 54 is equals to 24 into minus 80 plus of x into 54. Okay, so again this is a distributive property of integer x into minus 80, that is they are taken there. If you substitute x is equals to 24, means 24 into minus 80, that is 24 into minus 80, x into minus 80. Next is x into 54, that is 24 into 54. If you substitute x is equals to 24, that is it will be again distributive property of integer. So this is x is equals to 24. Similarly see here, see, so here directly written here answer, sorry for this. So see here 42 into x, which is equals to x into 42, the answer you get this as 1. When you multiply 42 into 1, then only your answer get as, so answer this will be x is equals to, you will get this as 1, then only it is 42. So means when you multiply, is if substitute x is equals to 1, then only you will get as 42 into 1 or 1 into 42, which is equals to, you will get as 42. So here x is equals to 1. Similarly see here minus 15 into minus 7 into 4 is equals to minus 15 into x into 4. So see here now minus 15 into 7, so minus 15 into 7, next is minus 15 into 4. So see here see a you consider minus 15, b is equals to minus 7, c is equals to 4. Similarly a is equals to minus 15, b is we need, that is x is equals to, you will get this as minus 7. So x is equals to minus 7 in this D1. Okay, so these are some examples to find the x value. In the first one we got x is equals to 10, in the second one x is equals to 24, in the third one x is equals to 1, and in this one x is equals to minus 7. So now see fourth one we have the product of two numbers is the largest two-digit number. The product of two numbers is the largest two-digit number. If one of the number is minus 11, find the other number, they are saying. Okay, so see here, let I write. Okay, if question say once again, see the question, the product of two numbers is the largest two-digit number. If one of the number is minus 11, find the other number. Let the other number be, I write y, and let the one number I write as given in question, that is minus 11. Okay, so let one number be minus 11 and other number be y. The question said it is product, means I write minus 11 into y, which is equals to, the product of two numbers is largest two-digit number. So largest two-digit number means here see it is 99. So you can write the largest two-digit number is 99. Okay, and the largest 3-digit number say them is you have to write 999. Okay, so it is largest 2-digit number they are asked. The largest 2-digit number is 99. After 9 we'll get the 3-digit number. So the largest 2-digit number after 3-digit number is 100. Okay, after 99 is 100. So I choose the largest highest 2-digit number is 99. Okay, so now see the equation will be minus 11 into y is equals to 99. So I write that is y is equals to 99 divided by that is minus of 11. Okay, so 99 divided by minus of 11. So I write 11 ones are 11 nines are. So I write that is y is equals to I write minus 9. So y is equals to you will get this as minus 9. The required answer you get this as y is equals to minus 9. So all of you just to go through this concept of third main and fourth main and please note down and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Hello dear students, now comes to the exercise number 1.2, that is the fifth question. The fifth question says on dividing minus 8016, that is 8016 by x, the answer is minus 16. Find the value of integer x they are asking. Okay, so see here on dividing minus 806, that is 8016 by x, the answer is minus 16. Find the value of integer x they are saying. So see here first I will construct an equation. So this is minus 8016 on dividing by x, which is equals to is they are saying minus 16. So this is your question, minus 8016 by x, which is equals the answer is minus 16. Find the value of integer x. So I will do cross multiplication. So I will take here 1 is hidden, so express in the form of p by q. So see here minus 8016 by x, which is you cross multiply this one. After you cross multiply this, you have to cross multiply this. Okay, so equal to that is 1 into that is you write this as 1 minus 8016 into 1, which is equals to minus 16 into x. Okay, so now see it is x is equals to minus 8016 whole divided by minus of 16. Okay, so now all of you know the 16 table, that is I write 16. So this only this you choose 2-digit number. 16 ones are 16, again 16 fives are 80. So this is 16 fives are 80. So remaining is 1. So just write here as 0 is remaining. Write 0 as it is. So that is 1. 16 ones are 16. Okay, so just to do this division 8016 by 16, do your simple division. I have done here directly. You can go for simple division also. You will get minus and minus which get cancelled. The remaining is answer is 501. So please note down this example, that is x is equals to you will get as 501. Okay, now comes to the sixth main question, says evaluate. In the evaluate some examples are there, but I have chosen only 2 examples. There are some more examples which are easy to solve. You can solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. So see here 49 into 89 into minus 107 into 0 into 412, that is 412. Okay, so once again question, 49 into 89 into minus 107 minus 0 into 412. So you know that anything into 0 is always is 0. Anything into 0, that is anything means here you can choose any alphabet. Anything into 0 is answer is always 0. Means here if you multiply this 49 into 89 into minus 107 into 0 into 4 into your answer, you will get as 0 only. Okay, similarly B1 says that minus 8 into minus 16. So see here minus 8 into minus 16, first minus into minus is plus, so this will come as plus 1. Okay, so this is our next 16 8s are, so 16 8s obviously it is 128. Okay, obviously it is 130. You go through this one, you can go for the 16 into 8 also. 8 6 are 48. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 4 which is equals to 12, 128. So minus 8 into 16, that is 16 into 8 is 128, minus into minus is plus. Some more examples are there in the 6th main evaluate. Solve that example and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Hello dear students, now comes to the class 7, that is exercise number 1.2, that is the 7th main says divide 51 by the sum of minus 8 and minus 9. Okay, so divide 51 by the sum of minus 8 and minus 9. So see here, I take divide this, I will choose the expression 51. I divide by the sum means I will do operation as I'll write minus 8. Sum means here addition operation of minus 9. Okay, so this is the question says 51, divide 51 by minus 8 by the sum of minus 9. So it is, we can write as 51, that is minus 8 as it is, plus into minus is minus 9, which is equals to, that is 51. That is again whenever you are add, that is case 3 says whenever you are adding the two negative integers, you have to add that and you have to keep the minus sign as it is. So 8 plus 8, it is always know it is 16, so it is 8 plus 9, it is always minus 17. Okay, now see, you know 17 table all of you, 17 ones are 17, again you know that is 17 twos are, you know that is 34, and 17 threes are, it is 51. So it is 17 threes are 51 means it is minus 3. 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are, it is minus 3. The answer says it is minus 3. So dividing by 51 by sum of minus 8 and minus 9, the answer you are getting as minus 3. I hope so you understood up to here, and remaining some more example are there. I will solve in the next video and I will send some of the example in the form of PDF form. So all of you please note down that examples and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay.